Lesson 76, volume of prisms and cylinders. The volume equals the area of the base times the height. We write area of the base with a capital B. So V means volume. Capital B is just area of the base. And then H is the height of either the prism or the cylinder. So the base, that's the shape that gets stretched up by the height. Prisms and cylinders have two bases. So we're going to draw some pictures. We have a triangular prism. Notice that the base is this triangle. And it gets stretched up by the height. So the height is how tall this is if you were to set it right on the base. For a rectangular prism, this is the base, and the height is how tall it would be if you placed it right on the base. Now if we have a cylinder, the base would be one of either the top or the bottom, just one of them. And then the height is the distance between the two bases. So we're going to find volume of a triangular prism. So I want to do a right triangular prism. The small leg is 3 centimeters, the long leg is 4 centimeters. You know the hypotenuse is going to be 5. So we draw this 5 centimeters. Okay, so it comes back. The height of this triangular pyramid is 12 centimeters. So we want to find the area of the base. That's going to be our capital B. So that base is a triangle. This is a triangular prism. This is the shape that gets stretched up the height. So we're going to do 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters and divide by 2. That gives us the area of that triangle. Base times height divided by 2. So we have 6 centimeters squared. To find the volume, we do the area of the base times the height. We just found the area of the base to be 6 centimeters squared. And the height is 12 centimeters. 6 times 12 is 72. And then we have centimeters cubed. Oh, I don't know why I put that in parentheses, but that's the volume of this triangular prism, 72 centimeters cubed. Now let's do a cylinder. Here's another example. We're going to lay our cylinder on its side, okay? So here's our cylinder. The diameter is 6 inches. The height of the cylinder is 5 inches. So volume is area of the base times the height. Now the base is a circle. So our area is going to be pi times the radius squared. And then we'll times it by the height. So we have pi, the radius is 3, so we're going to square the 3, and the height is 5. So we have 9 times 5, which is 45 pi inches cubed. So when we do volume, our label will always be cubic inches. Now, if we wanted to get an approximation for the volume, we would do 45 times 3.14. So this is approximate, not equal to. And 45 times 3.14 is 141.3, and then we would put inches cubed. So exact volume would be 45 pi inches cubed and approximately 141.3 inches cubed. And that's the end of the lesson.